The software development landscape has shifted. In 2023, AI served as an autocomplete assistant. By 2026, we have entered the era of autonomous software engineers. Modern agents like Devin 2.0 no longer just suggest snippets. They manage the entire development lifecycle, from research and environment setup to complex deployment with minimal oversight. Platforms like ChatDev, Devin, and S2E Agent represent a new paradigm, automating everything from company-like simulation to critical GitHub issue resolution. We are moving from typing lines of code to defining intent. The machine interprets the objective and executes the labor, fundamentally transforming the role of the developer. Modern AI development relies on neurosymbolic programming. This combines the raw, creative predictive power of neural networks with the rigid logical safety of symbolic compilers. While neural models predict code patterns, they can occasionally hallucinate. Symbolic verification acts as a mathematical filter, checking every line against logical constraints before deployment. The result is code that isn't just human-like, it is mathematically verified. By moving beyond the era of LLM hallucinations, we ensure high-velocity software is both creative and bug-free. The paradigm of software creation has undergone a radical transformation. We have moved from the era of manual instruction to the era of intent. In 2023, developers spent hours writing boilerplate code, managing connections, and handling low-level syntax. Today, the coding language is simply your intent. Large action models now ingest your vision, translating complex product requirements directly into optimized system architectures, bypassing manual implementation layers. The barrier to building software has effectively hit zero. The new barrier is simply the depth of your product vision. By 2026, the adoption of agentic workflows has triggered a 400% increase in developer productivity. The era of manual coding is being replaced by AI-driven execution. Consider a recent healthcare EHR pivot. A project originally scoped for 18 months of human labor was completed in just 14 days using autonomous agent fleets. This speed isn't just about writing code, it's about maintenance. Modern AI testing frameworks perform self-healing updates, instantly identifying and patching technical debt in real time. Agentic RAG workflows enable these systems to retrieve, decompose, and verify information autonomously, ensuring that every line of generated code meets rigorous logic standards. With these agentic frameworks, the developer moves from a builder of lines to an architect of outcomes. The role of the developer is undergoing a profound transformation. The era of the repetitive code monkey is fading, replaced by the AI systems architect. Developers now act as the conductor, managing human-in-the-loop systems. You define ethical boundaries and system intent, while AI agents handle the implementation. Manual entry-level coding roles have plummeted by 60%. Conversely, demand for AI systems engineers has surged by 300%, shifting focus from syntax to system design. The developer is now an architect. You aren't writing loops, you are orchestrating agents and governing the logic that powers global infrastructure. The barrier has shifted from technical skill to architectural vision. The paradigm of the software startup has fundamentally changed. Today, we are seeing the rise of the one-person unicorn. A solo founder now orchestrates a fleet of specialized AI agents. This digital workforce performs the labor that once required a 20-person engineering department. By embedding autonomous agents directly into the development workflow, the human operator shifts from a laborer to a system architect. This unprecedented efficiency has slashed overhead, allowing lean operations to reach $10 million valuations. The barrier to building is no longer team size, but the clarity of the architectural vision. The human is no longer a code writer. They are the conductor of an AI orchestra. The era of the individual unicorn has begun. AI-generated code is moving from sandbox environments to physical infrastructure. In modern smart cities, autonomous systems optimize traffic flow in real time, adapting to sensor data without human intervention. However, this connectivity expands the attack surface. Autonomous systems act as both the potential vulnerability and the primary defense, deploying firewalls and monitoring tools to neutralize threats before they reach critical infrastructure. Given the massive volume of AI-generated code, Human review is no longer sufficient. Industry standards now rely on automated AI guardrails, which scan output for logic vulnerabilities, ensuring safe operational boundaries. Ultimately, the safety shield acts as the final gatekeeper, wrapping autonomous infrastructure in a layer of verified logic. This ensures that the speed of AI deployment never compromises the resilience of the systems we depend on. The barrier to building software has effectively hit zero. The physical act of typing syntax is no longer the primary hurdle. The new challenge is depth of vision. Engineers are becoming architects, designing scalable and distributed AI systems. Programming is no longer a language, it is an expression of intent. The future belongs to the architects, design with purpose.